What if you could make your business worth 2, 3, even 10 times more without getting a single new client? I've sold multiple companies and invested in dozens more, and the difference in price tags always comes down to one key metric most entrepreneurs overlook. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact steps to dramatically increase your business value. Many business owners believe growth comes from just bringing in new clients. But here's the truth. The real multiplier is how much value you generate from your current customers. Getting new clients is costly, and buyers don't care about your total customer base. They care about predictability, loyalty, and how much each client spends over time. The most overlooked metric is lifetime value, LTV. Simply put, how much money does one customer bring in over their entire relationship with you? If someone buys a $100 product once, LTV is $100. If they spend $100 monthly for a year, LTV is $1,200. The higher the LTV, the more valuable and stable your business becomes. Predictable revenue reduces risk. Buyers pay more for companies where customers stay longer and spend more. For instance, if a customer comes once, that's $100. If they buy $100 monthly for 3 years, that's $3,600. Same business size, vastly different valuation. Improving LTV can be the difference between selling at a discount or at a premium. 1. Retention. Keep customers longer. Nail onboarding. Deliver core value fast. Example: Disney-style experience. Every touch point matters. Stickiness. Integrate into customers' habits. Make switching harder naturally. 2. Increase purchase frequency. Usage-based pricing. Pay more for using more, e.g., gym visits, software storage. Offer complimentary products/services for upsell. 3. Increase spend per purchase. Add implementation fees, premium add-ons, high-value templates. Think like a gardener. Nurture existing clients before planting new seeds. Metrics to monitor. Compare LTV to customer acquisition. Cost, CAC, 0.3 to 1. Trouble, 0.3 to 1 to 5 to 1 to healthy, 0.5 to 1 to premium. Investors will pay more. Strong LTV equals backbone of valuation and profitability. Now that you understand LTV and how to increase it, pick one strategy to focus on this quarter. Improve retention, frequency, or spend, and execute. If you want to estimate your business value, click the link below to use my free valuation calculator. Remember, a valuable business today equals greater wealth and freedom tomorrow.